In this problem, we have a firm that has a weighted average cost of capital of 9.8%. So we know the WACC already. We know the cost of equity at 13% and cost of debt at 6.5%. The tax rate is 35%. What we do not know is Farmer's debt equity ratio. We're going to approach this problem from the point of view of figuring out that equity ratio, knowing what the WACC is. So, as you may have guessed, we're going to use to make the algebra simple, goal seek. First, assume a debt equity ratio, let's say 0.2%. Then the share of debt or share of equity is simply 1 over 1 plus that equity ratio. And share of debt is that equity ratio divided by 1 plus that equity ratio. If you want to check that that actually gives a debt equity ratio, that is the same, divide debt share with equity share, and you should get exactly the same number. We also need the after-tax cost of debt, which is the cost of debt times 1 minus tax rate. That is 4.23%. If the debt equity ratio is 0.2, WACC would have been equity share times cost of equity plus debt share times cost of debt. Times after-tax cost of debt. So that would have given us 1154. The difference is, with the given WACC of 9.8%, 174. We want to make the difference 0 by changing the debt equity. For that, under the Data tab, we do what if analysis, goal seek, make that difference 0 by changing cost of debt. Well, that's close enough. And if you want to make it sharper, under the options, formulas, make the maximum change a small number, and let's do that again. Okay. So 0.574 is the debt equity ratio for this firm. Or 0.574 is the debt equity ratio that would result in a 9.8% weighted average cost of capital.